Okay, so you're going to thread one in through one side and one in through the other. And then you're going to set the front down, right? Your goal is to set that down on there. And see, I'm kind of holding it together. You've got little hands, you might need help with this. You're going to want to get this to wrap all the way around the center. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just kind of manipulating it. See how that's working? So that it's right in the center and it's tight, okay? And you're going to just tie it like that, and then tie it in a knot. Now, what I would suggest is leave this, because you can hang it, okay? You're going to probably end up like having to glue it up a little bit, because it's going to want to hang like this, and you don't want that. You're going to have to glue it up a little bit, but I'll show you how to do that. So we'll do that. But right now, you've got your wings on. And then I think I'm going to flip it back up a little bit. Because I really don't want to see where I put that string and it's caught some of the fur. So all I've got to do is go in here. And make it do like that, okay? Now, what you're gonna do, where that is, you're gonna put your little nose, okay? So I'm separating it back out a little bit. And right where that string went across, right in the center, put a dot. Make sure your teeth go down. Too funny. Got her little fangs. And then we're going to do the ears. So this is what I like to do for the top. Just kind of blow the fur down. Make a little line, get down to the bottom, and then you're going to put, I don't know, about a ½ inch of glue, and the ears are going to go right up on the top. You should probably paint the backs of your ears. I forgot. I don't know that you'll see them that much because they're right up against the wings. How stinking cute is she? Oh gosh. Okay, so now here's, like if I were to do this, right, it's gonna do that, right? So let's come up with a way that we can have it come up. You know what? We're gonna do this. If you take it, you come under like this, and under like this, automatically it is gonna come up. See that? That's all it takes. Just come right under there, right under there. I'm gonna tie a little knot right at the top. Try not to capture too much fur. Yeah, see? And then we can make a little loop. and she can hang wherever you want. She'll be cute in your car. And she'll also stand. Look, you can also stand her. So you can trim all that off and then have her stand. So cute. Yeah, she's perfectly designed to stand too. Oh my gosh, the bat's one of my favorite. I hope you love her. You guys have a great Halloween.